Hey guys, what is up? It's Jamie, Farnsworthy Vending. Listen, so today we're gonna go down to Tire Warehouse in West Leb and we're gonna check out that location, see how it's done this month. I'm pretty excited to see because January is supposed to be one of the slowest months in vending, and I really wanna see like what the worst of the worst is really gonna turn out to be. So we'll go check the location out and get everything squared away. Let's roll right into this. All right guys, bright and early in the morning, we're here at Tire Warehouse and we gotta enter some data into the software, so it's gonna be a little bit on this one, just like the last one. So let's see what we got. What's up, my man? How you doing?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Oh, same old stuff and a holy cow.
Yep.
Wow. Look at this, guys. That's a lot of stuffs. Couple out. Sweet. That's what I like to see. Oh, we need to get a card made for Surge. Alright, so we'll start and we'll just go through and count up everything on this guy. Alright, so this is one of my only locations that's okay with expired product. So what we do is we fill up all of these, and then expired product that's past its date we'll put in here and mark it what it cost. So this is where you can see that they've completely sold out of it, so I don't have an issue there. But we got, that's pretty much gone. These we're gonna pull, they just don't sell. And start stacking these guys up. This is rail 3. These guys have literally cleaned this thing out. This was pretty darn full when I left. Alright guys, so this is what we got going on. These were paydays. These both were paydays, and they are completely gone.
I just don't like doing that.
So we're doing pretty solid here.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I said, never mind, I can do the 20s because they're 65s.
So we're just running through, counting up all the coils for VenSoft, and we got some visitors. Oh, you guys are YouTube famous now. Woo!
I'm quitting. I'm done. Yeah, man, I'm famous now, so have a good life.
So I honestly can't remember what was there, but we got a whole bunch of stuff going. These guys really hammered down this month. I'm pretty happy with it. So we got the ramen selling pretty good. Little bites. They always move. Little boots always move.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, go on in, we'll take a look at it. Yep, that's fine. Alright, let me get some information from you. Yep. Last name?
So we need 2 cases of Mountain Dew. Probably gonna need a case of Dr. Pepper. Coke sold a little bit. I need a case and a half of root beer. The Java Monster's about gone. Oh geez, the Surge sell out? Can't even see back there. We'll have to count it up. So straight from there, I went to the bank, I went to the Coinstar, cashed all my coins in, and got the little slip so it'd be easier to count on camera for you guys. And we came home and counted everything out, and here's a clip of that. Alright guys, so we got Tire Warehouse of West Leb here. We're gonna go ahead and open this up and count it out. Alright, so we got $35.75 on the Coinstar. Time to get at the dollar bills. Alright guys, so everything's said and done. We've got $145.75 in a 4-week period from Tire Warehouse. Significantly slower than it's been in the past, but it's still enough for me to not be too disappointed. So I'm pretty excited that everything's still going, everything's still working out for me. This is the reality of vending in my area. There's just not a lot of people. I live in a really small area and it is what it is. But still, I'm pretty excited to see all the money. All right, guys.